are better than one because they have a good return on their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. I do. 3 letters, 2 little words, but they are powerful. They signal a declaration of intent. With these 2 words, each of you will become the #1 person in each other's lives. Unique voices of support and encouragement that no one else on the planet can match.
I love you, Alli. You're my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage.
I love you, Hunter. You're my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage.
Promise to encourage you and inspire you, to laugh with you and comfort you in times of sorrow and in struggle.
I promise to love you in good times and bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort.
I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in highest regard. These promises I make to you today.
If there was anyone I'd want to spend about 100 days with.
And as for your life together, to treasure every moment of every day and chase your dreams together. Live your life with no regrets.
It would be you, only you. We might not have forever, no time for taking chances. It would be you, and always you. And when the lights go out, we'll just keep on dancing in the dark.
We know that there's a lot of support behind those 2 kids, and we'll always be there for them, as we know that you will also.
If the sky turns black, if the markets crash, you should check your mom's house, then you should come back. 'Cause when it all goes down, I want you by my side. We could stay up till the last sunrise.
Being authorized to do so pursuant to laws of the great state of Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and Hunter, kiss you bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Roberts.